Okay, I just want to talk briefly about the food that we have here on Kilimanjaro. We have a really great cook team. We've been working a long time at the meals that we provide, and it's important that we can accommodate any diet. We have a person on this trip that's gluten-free, vegetarian, paleo diet, whatever it is. As long as we know in advance, we can totally accommodate them. Nutrition is so important for your success in the mountains. It means that you're going to have the energy levels to climb at these high altitudes. And oftentimes people lose their appetite. So when they get to higher altitude, they don't really have the appetite you would at a low sea level or any altitude lower than 10,000 feet or so. So food that's really well prepared and a variety of food. We have fruits and vegetables, rices, pastas, chicken, all kinds of different stuff that's gonna make sure that our groups are able to, have something that they feel like eating each meal of the day. We have a good hearty breakfast and start out for the day. We take some breaks along the way and have some snacks and hydrate as we go, and we'll always stop for a sit-down lunch. And when we stop for that sit-down lunch, people are acclimatizing, but we have a wide variety of food, and it's really important. Mostly in the mountains, it's important to have fun and enjoy the way. Enjoy the journey is so important. You don't want to just make it so all your enjoyment's going to be if you stand on top or not. You really have to enjoy the journey, and that's going to help your success. Last night, one of our guests had his 63rd birthday, and our guys even made a birthday cake in the tent and in the cook tent and served it, and we sang and celebrated, and it's just all about having a fun time. So we're here on Kilimanjaro, and here's one of our cooks right here. Hey, Francis.
How are you?
I'm doing well, man.
Good, man.
Slowly, huh?
Yes, for
Okay. Thanks again. And on Kilimanjaro, yeah, having a fun time, enjoying the day and the pace, and every step along the way is going to help make sure that you are successful and have a great, memorable experience.